Thanks for finally getting me in the shot there. I mean, I'm the whole reason everybody's here, right?
Yes.
Awesome. Hey, what's up? Vegan RV, Kevin.
I'm Laura.
And we are by a bunch of ducks.
Yes.
They love all my jokes. See? Told you. That was on cue. Thanks, guys. That was pretty awesome. That's never happened before. Anyway, now I'm all messed up. I don't even know what to talk about. No,
well,
we are leaving
Gitwangak
and
the Cassiar.
Yep. So, that was a long drive.
Yeah, and we still have quite a bit to go.
Yep. We busted through the Cassiar. We did. I mean,
yeah.
You know, we had our overnights and we had one of the most beautiful stays we've ever stayed. But it's time to get on.
The weather was at our back.
Yep.
And you'll see a little bit of that in this video. Not winter precipitation, but you'll see.
Yep.
It's kind of scary.
So yeah. Anyway. We can take them on the road with us. Yeah,
we're just going to take you on the road. We're going to blow through a couple of stops and...
I mean, you're still going to get to see the pretty views, hear my beautiful, soothing voice in the background.
Yep. Yes.
All of that stuff.
All of it.
So, enjoy the video.
Yep.
And see you guys in a bit.
In a minute.
Check out the birds. There's one really cool one right there. I'm not even pointing to it. He's right there. Right there.
Mission to see if this A&W has any Beyond Burgers left. They even have a big old sign.
Did you get the sign, baby?
That's what I'm getting right now. I'll show you this big old sign. What? I hope they have some. Give us the bad news.
Sold out.
Yeah, you don't think they're popular, people.
Yeah, it's too bad they're, that vegan thing's never gonna catch on. Okay. This is terrible. So let's play a little Instagram versus reality. So this is where we stayed last night. See our views here. There we are. Beautiful. But also that's a train track. That's a road, and there's another train track up here. They go all night too. We didn't mind, but I know a lot of people can't stand that noise, so.
can't even see them.
No. I would slow down.
Yeah, I'm trying to.
Oh my god. Where? Oh, there they are. Phew! That was serious. More fog. It's a good thing we had clear skies on the way. Not much to look at right now.
Who's that in front of us, Laura?
TME.
The motorhome square. We're going over a bridge. What city is this?
Heading into Vancouver.
Yeah! Dude, this is a cool bridge.
Yeah, it is.
It looks very San Francisco-ish. They're still laughing at my jokes. It's awesome. Seriously. So many birds.
Yeah.
Found out a duck I've never even heard of, a bufflehead.
Yeah.
So crazy.
Crazy looking.
But there are hundreds of them here.
Yeah.
They're pretty awesome.
Alright.
Anyway, we are so close to the border
Yes.
and in Vancouver now.
Yep. But
It's
we're
freaking
gonna,
awesome. We're not in Vancouver right now. See?
Not right now.
Short sleeves.
But now in the video,
Yep.
that's where we end up.
Yeah. And we have some awesome places to show you in Vancouver.
Yes.
Because that place is delicious. I'm just saying. But here, you know, you guys got to see Beyond Burger selling out and all the A&Ws. That's so
They're
cool.
supposed to be back in stock, so you Canadians can get up on that.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. But yeah, just quick overnight. So
Yep.
nothing super exciting, but super beautiful.
Yes.
And actually, one of my favorite places was, well, it was all foggy this time, but
Oh yeah, that Fraser Valley.
Fraser Valley, Fraser
Yeah.
River, Thompson River, RV, something. It's awesome.
Yes. It was a beautiful area.
Yeah.
BC in general, like all of BC is just amazing.
Yeah, but you know, with all of the fog and crappy weather, a lot of the animals don't come out.
True.
So
Yeah.
just like us, the party animals stay in. All right. Anyway,
Yeah. So
hopefully you liked it.
thumbs
Thumbs up. If you didn't,
See ya.
and subscribe if you haven't. All the normal disclaimers,
Yep.
and we'll see you guys next time.
Yes. Next time in Vancouver.
I'm lost. Not lost. Here, you should show them the. No, keep going. Okay. Bye, ducks.